Okay, so I got my meter hooked up to the cable and I'm getting a reading of 121.3, 121.2, and 121.4 is where we started. So that's right on the money. That's there it is, 121.4. And that's how that's done. I don't have a lot of cuts to make on this job, so just using this little tabletop model. I've got it plugged into 120 volts, and it is, I have a GFI receptacle here on the outside of the house. So you don't want to use something that has water without having it plugged into a GFI outlet, so it's ground fault, so it protects against me getting electrocuted. I'm not doing that without my earmuffs. Where are my earmuffs? Isn't it amazing how you can chase stuff around half the day? Okay. The earmuffs are on. Back out here. Okay. Oh, nasty stuff off there. Here. Look at that. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Let me see here. Yeah, that's gonna be just about right. If I bring this one back, that's pretty good, I think. I like that. And that one, what's that telling me? That's not going to meet in the center. It'll be close, but it's not going to be in the center. So what do you do with that? What do you do with that? Huh. Okay. Take this one out. I don't want to be stepping on them. Okay, so that's in the right spot. Okay, so what I need is I need the measurement for there. What to do, what to do, what to do. Yeah. Let's see where the half is on this guy. It's 11 and 13/16, so it's got to go that way a little bit. It's got to go 1/4 of an inch that way. I need a tool here to move these with. I think a wedge will do it. Yeah. Something like that. Let me see. That's 12, so that's too far. So, I like how that's sitting there though. Okay, so what I've done is I got all the tile cut and everything laid out dry, and a dry run, I guess you call that. I had everything cut for here, and what I did was I took some masking tape, some painter's tape, and I numbered every tile with running in sequence from 1 through 32 tiles. And what I did was I brought them out one at a time. I laid them on this other room, and this is a bedroom, laid it on the floor. And some would say, well, why did you number some of them? Because, you know, it's only the ones that are cut that matter, right? You know, the one around the toilet. But because these are, you know, these rectangular ones, why would you number those? They could go in any order, right? But the reason I numbered them is because of the patterns. You know, I sort of, you know, looked at it as I was laying them out, and you don't want all the same pattern together. Like there's no real pattern on this, but you don't want the same finish showing, all together, say in one area. So you want to separate them apart. That's why another tip for doing tiles is don't just start tiling out of one box, and then move to the next box. What you should do is take all your tiles out that you're going to use for that particular floor and look at them, lay them out, and that way you can see. Because even if a manufacturer designs tile, they're going to be different batches. They're going to look a little different in each box, subtle differences, and you want to make sure that you don't start. Let's say the theme was darker, in the first few boxes, and then as you move your way over, you've got a lighter tile or some other anomaly that you don't really see until you've opened all the boxes. So do that, open all of them up, take a look, lay them out. Okay, so I got that done. Next thing, what I'm going to do is there's a bit of drywall dust and whatnot in here. I've vacuumed up what comes up with the vacuum, but I've just got some warm soapy water here and a sponge, and I'm just going to go around and I'm going to get that up out of the way, and I'm going to make sure there's no, what you don't want to have happen is have a lump of something hard, mortar or something, or a hard drywall mud, or a screw that's hidden in it somewhere, be left in there, because that'll cause a problem in the tile. So you want to make sure everything's up out of there, out of all the edges. So I'm going to just go ahead and mop that out. And some of the next steps will be talking about the mortar and moving forward with laying the tile. Okay, we'll see you in a bit.